want some privacy, just want to make sure. Look at this. This is an elevator lighting. You don't get better than this. This is honest fucking lighting. You can see the line right there, which I couldn't see in another mirror. But with really detailed lighting, you can see. So this is too shiny up here, isn't it? And that, well, I can see why that's now sticking out. The rest isn't as bad as that. That's caused by lifting. Okay, so if you haven't looked at a proper mirror, you're not getting a proper perspective. Mirrors and lighting matter. So I'm gonna glue that back down when I get home because that's embarrassing.